Good afternoon everybody, and welcome to the Hordon Homestead here on the 1st of July. So we haven't spoken to you for a while. It's because so much has been happening. Sorry about the fact the video didn't go out last weekend on Sunday. It's because if Jeff turns round, you'll see that it's been finished and painted and replastered on the inside. Big long story that you don't need to know about, but it's completed, it's beautiful. All that's left to carry on there now is we're going to have a king bridge put on here because of the 18-inch drop. Those stairs are not staying.
Definitely not.
Definitely not. It was lethal. How I've actually not fallen down those stairs is a minor miracle. So yeah, so it's finished, it's beautiful, we love it, which is the most important thing. The other thing that we've been doing is I had dental surgery. I had a tooth removed, so I didn't really want to be speaking on camera while I was lisping. I'm still lisping a little bit, but not as much as I was. And we've also been sorting out our caravan, which we're getting rid of. So, it's all go here at the Hordon Homestead. So let's talk about the peppers, and let's show you we didn't actually show you the finished little mini greenhouse. This is the one that we got from Amazon, and
they've already outgrown it.
They've already outgrown it, just so that everybody says, oh, they're not being, we know. So we have plans afoot to try and sort them out. But it's really good. We really like this one. They're lovely. They come with 3 shelves, and we've actually put some wooden battens to make a middle shelf to give them more space, but they've already outgrown it in a fortnight. So we now have plans to bring some of them inside into the sunroom so that we can take the middle shelf out completely, and they've got the whole height to grow in. And Jeff looks over my shoulder. I can show you properly and explain what happened to the peppers during the hot weather. Now, we're up in Northumberland. We did not have the red warning that people had down south. We didn't get the 38 temperatures. Here it got to about 32. Now you have to remember that that's in the shade. And so in the sun it was probably 45 or so. The good news, we've got you get these white spots on the leaves, and that's from heat and too much UV. But the good news is, if you look at the middle of the plants here, we've got fantastic new growth coming through. We've actually got on the stem as well, we've got growth coming through there, and on a pepper, that's where you get the fruit. So they're in, even though they've had the damage, they're in good condition. Now this is the one that's had the most problems with heat and variation. And you can see we've got crinkly leaves, but again, if you look at the top, it's beautiful. It's got buds coming all up the stem, so it's getting enough nutrients. It's just not been very happy with the heat. It's got no aphids on it or anything like that. It's all beautifully clean. So this is probably one that's going to stay outside, and we'll bring our better ones indoors, I think. So if you look down here, these are the big boys. And these are the ones that are going to be coming inside. They're fabulous. Looks like something's had a munch there, but it isn't. That's just where the white, like this, eventually it seems to fall out and it leaves holes. But apart from that, they're all very happy. Very, very happy indeed. So the peppers, it looks like we're going to get a good pepper crop. That's the important thing. So if we go around the garden, if I lift this one up, so this is in the middle here. This is Jeff's mangel wurzel, part of the competition. We'll come back. We'll come back to this in a minute, because my mangel wurzels are also looking like they're exploding. Around the mangel wurzels we have broccoli, and these are looking very, very healthy. There's no active caterpillars, which is really good. It looks as though something had a bit of a munch, but you know, they're brassicas, what do you expect? The leeks are doing fabulously. These are the ones that we sowed to seed in situ
In March.
So the 20th of March they got sown. So they're doing really well, and we think those are the ones that are likely to carry on into Christmas, towards Christmas and maybe into New Year, because we've got some others to show you as well. Then in here, if I can get down into there, it's hard to see. They're actually about golf ball size.
There are beets there.
There are. You had a poke earlier, didn't you? And we reckon about golf ball size, so they're doing really well. This is purple Brussels sprouts. Really looking forward to those. And then down there we've got cabbage, but whether that will survive or not, we don't know.
Let's have a look.
They're going to have to fight for space. And the next one, these are the parsnips. And again, these went in March.
6th of April.
6th of April. So the carrots and the parsnips are the 6th of April. The carrots are going to probably be harvested first, and we're planning.
First.
Yeah.
They get a frost or two before they're coming out.
And these are we're just going to leave them in, hope they don't bolt, and they will get they'll carry on. And then what we hope to do is leave them in the ground and pick as we need them. That's it. Now the onions, which is in the one in the next one, pod 1.
I think you'll probably harvest an onion.
Yeah, they've started
We need
to
one
flop.
for tea.
We've actually got...
That one looks nice.
That one looks really good.
Go on, do it.
Oh, we're going to do it?
Yeah.
Come on, you. Well, he's fabulous, isn't he?
It's definitely an onion.
Definitely an onion.
Better than we got last year.
Last year they were not even as big as a pencil. I think we can leave them a little bit longer. But we're definitely going to have that as part of our tea.
Don't want a white one as well?
Yeah, okay, let's go for that one in the middle. If I can find his...
Really disappointing.
They look bigger than that.
Yep. Oh,
Brilliant.
the red one's nice.
Well, together they'll be really lovely in a salad or something. We just pop those there. There we go. Now the blackcurrant, we weren't expecting to get anything this year on the blackcurrant, but look at that.
We have blackcurrants.
We've actually got blackcurrants. So they'll be going in with some apple to make an apple crumble or something.
If the apple tree hurries up.
If the apple tree hurries up. Now, when we got the apple tree, he was a twig. Bless it. And all these leaves are new. Because there was about 5 leaves, wasn't there, when we got it? So he's looking magnificent. And I don't think we'll get a flower because I don't think we've missed it. But you never know, do you, with nature? You just never know.
Pear tree.
The pear tree.
He was a stick when we got him.
Yeah, he was.
Look at him now.
He's fantastic. Imagine if we get apples and pears. Black cherry. He's getting quite big. Then these are the second lot of potatoes, not the first lot of potatoes. These are the Maris Piper and the Aldi ones, aren't they? Little. I wouldn't say Aldi. But they're just starting to turn. You can see that this one, which is one of the Aldi ones, is dark green. And then these are the Maris Piper, which are just starting to turn. Tomatoes. Wow. We're going to get a lot of tomatoes. Cucumber. If I can... We do actually have cucumbers here somewhere.
Yep, down there.
Down there.
Starting there. We think.
And
there's lots of flowers on this tomato.
lots of flowers. And then at the back there is the Roma tomato, which it's the first time we've done it. We know we've made mistakes. So, yeah, like forgetting to pinch them out and things like that. We know. We've learnt. Then our sarpomeras are actually beginning to be nearly ready.
They're yellowing off nicely.
My mangel wurzels got hit by the sun a bit more. So there's two, I don't know what that is. Mangle blight. I don't know if they get blight because there's a couple of leaves that.
It's the sun, I think. It's the same as the leeks aren't good.
Now these leeks we bought as starters, didn't we, as sets?
Yeah. There is a video of we're planting them.
There is. But they're doing really well. And I think these ones will be ready for harvest before the other ones.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Rhubarb still.
Is it rhubarb?
Well, I think so, maybe.
We don't know. I'm not convinced anymore that it is, because it looks a bit...
But we do have a courgette.
Yay! Now, if everybody knows, it's quite serious with this for a moment. Like our courgettes, we've had one female flower. All the flowers that you can see on there just now are male flowers. How do you get the females to come out and flower?
At the same time?
At the same time as the males. There must be a way.
They're hard to get.
Yeah.
Typical women.
Do you pick the male ones off?
Typical women.
Sets up more. So we go, look at me! That's my courgette impression, by the way. Oh. Look at me!
Getting peas.
They were really sweet when we tried those earlier. Strawberries.
I'm on tomatoes now.
Oh, you're on tomatoes?
Yeah.
Oh, we've actually got some as well.
See,
those are the dwarf trailing tomatoes. There's some on this side really well. In there.
Yeah.
They're suddenly starting to produce. Now we've got lots of flowers in here. This is the strawberries down there.
Yep.
Across the top. So this is their first year. So I think next year we get more of a crop.
I think so.
I think. But I don't know what we do with them in between now and then.
We'll have to Google it.
Yeah. Google
Unless somebody like to tell them in the comments.
Yeah, if somebody told us in the comments, that'd be great. Somebody that's really good with strawberries.
There's some lovely weeds growing there.
Oh yeah, dandelions. These are the dwarf. Those are the dwarf ones, the red ones, aren't they?
I think so, yes.
I think.
These ones up here, these are the Belotti.
Belotti beans, yeah, they're the pink ones with the brown dots.
Yeah. Well, overgrown, they're grown up over the couple of years.
Is that a strawberry or is that a nettle?
It's a nettle. It's a nettle.
You're brave with it. I'm not brave with it.
Okay, I've got my gloves on.
So the garden's coming along really, really well. Really, really chuffed with the garden actually. So what the plan is, as well, is that when Aldi have their mini greenhouses for sale down the middle aisle, we're going to get another one of these ones because we have decided that this is the better one of the two because it's easier to adapt, it's easier to put together, and it's actually very slightly, and we mean slightly, better quality.
And it was half the price.
And it was half the price. It was only $39.99. So we are going to get another one of these, and it's going to go where the bird bath is. So the bird bath is going to get moved. And the bird is a bit green, so...
We haven't been here all week.
So. We haven't been here all week. So, because we've been clearing stuff out. Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hordon Homestead. What a blustery day. Today's the 2nd of July, and it's really quite blowing hooly here today. And we've had a couple of casualties. The first was the top of the peas. That's come over, so it's a bit of a case of morange 2, morange 2. And the other thing that we've lost and been blown over is the Maris pipers. Now these won't be very big because these are our second crop that was started about a month after the sarpomeras. So we don't know what we've got, but we're going to have a look. So Jeff's going to do the tipping. He passes me the camera. got the secateurs?
I have, yeah.
Now we do like chopping the foliage off first. That makes it easier to root through when you actually do the...
If there's anything in here.
If there's anything in there yet, yeah. A bit earlier than we thought we were going to have to do this, but never
A lot
mind.
earlier.
Will there be anything? Who knows? Right, let me pass that back. I've got the gloves on.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's something there. Oh, they're like little new potatoes. Oh, that's a shame. Look at all those that were coming.
Yeah.
That's a seed.
Well, look at them all as well.
Look at them all. There's loads. That's the other one. They're all coming. Look.
I know. Oh,
Yep.
you know what?
These would have been fabulous. That would have been a good crop. At least it gives us an idea of what's to come. I don't think there's any more in there.
Nope.
Oh, keep the...
Oh, there's another crop in there.
Oh, there's one.
Another one. Oh well. I'm in there. All 6 of them.
That's 6. You can do the other one as well.
Yep. Right as well.
Oh yeah, look at that. Just wind damage. That's all it is.
I've got another 6. That's enough for dinner.
Yeah, that's enough for dinner tonight if we do.
If we can another 6.
And we find the pot method much better than the dig it out the ground method. And I'll search through our Amazon thing and give put in the description box below the link to these bags because they're really good potatoes. I'm going to get that out of the way. Oh, there's one. Looks like a snowman.
A couple of tiny ones.
The tiny ones are good in soups. Oops. Another tiny one there. And there.
Well, that was disappointing.
Yeah, there were lots.
Wind. There been 3 times, 4 times that many.
They would have, had they lasted till September, they would have easy. We have to go through this now, get all the little tiny ones out, because we like to reuse. Oh, there's one there. Look. We like to reuse our compost. So if we don't pick them all out, we'll have what are they called? The ones that come up next year.
Some more potatoes.
Yeah, it's just more potatoes next year because
Well, I should put some more potatoes in now.
actually that's a really good idea. What a good idea! You're full of good ideas.
Put them in now. To July, August, September. We'll get another.
We'll get another crop, won't we?
No problem.
Fantastic. I'll have to see what Aldi have got on the shelves this afternoon.
I shall sift through that later.
Hey?
I'll sift through that later and report them.
So there we are. That was a nice little short video to keep us going. There's a longer video that will come out on Sunday. So should we just say cheerio? So cheerio. See you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've been following us. Bye.